G'day guys, Andrew from Street Machine here at TurboSmart in Western Sydney. These guys have supplied a lot of really good quality products for a few of our recent projects, so we thought we'd call in and say g'day and take a tour of their facility. We'll check out a few of their manufacturing processes and have a look at some cool new products they've got on the go. Let's head inside. G'day Stu.
How you going, mate?
Good mate, how are you?
Yeah, good, thanks.
I understand you're going to show us around the place?
Yeah, thanks for coming and show you through our facility today and have a look at what we're doing here at TurboSmart and how we're making our parts, and yeah, hope you like it.
Awesome, let's do it. So Stu, it looks like this is your stash of raw materials.
Yeah, this is where the process really starts for us. This is where the goods first come into the building. You can see behind us we've got a lot of alloy and stainless steel and lots of different metals here. Basically this is where a blow-off valve or a wastegate or one of our products starts as just a raw bar stock, and then we go into machining and turn it into a TurboSmart product.
Awesome, let's check out the machining area. So Stu, there's a serious amount of machining equipment in this building.
Yeah, there is. We've got 8 CNC lathes and 1 machining centre in here. It's all high-end Japanese and American machinery, and we've got obviously a lot of tooling that goes along with that. We're 7 days a week, 1 shift. We do a lot of unmanned overnight machining. So it's a very busy place, but you know, that's how we make the place run efficiently here in Australia.
Awesome. Can we have a look at some of these machines in action?
Absolutely, let's go. So this is one of our most high-end machines. It's a Okuma Multus. It's a U3000 multitasking machine. It is a lathe, but it's almost a machining centre at the same time. So it can machine 5-axis, twin spindle, twin turret, and it has full simulation software, 80 tools, capacity in the top turret, 12 in the bottom, and it's a serious bit of gear. And at the moment we're making our brand new wastegate cap on the machine as we speak.
So Stu, we've seen the machining process. It looks like this is where everything gets assembled.
Yeah, so we have multiples of assembly lines here. We've created a flow through the workshop, so from receiving to machining, then into assembly here. As you can see, we're storing all of our materials to make the product on the shelf next to where we're making it. We start with measurement and checking, then we'll do some assembly, testing, and then onto packaging, and then onto the shelf. So pretty much every single product that TurboSmart makes is assembled and tested here, and the emphasis on that is that it's tested and checked. So that we know that when it leaves here, that it's going to do what it's supposed to do when it's on the vehicle.
So Stu, before we shoot through, have you got any cool new products you want to talk us through?
Yeah, we've spent the last 12 to 18 months working on an entirely new wastegate range. So every single one of our external wastegates, we've updated them, and they're being released over the course of the next few months.
Yep.
And as you can see here, this is our 60mm wastegate. It's flowing about 20 to 30% more than our current one. This is by far the largest flowing wastegate on the planet.
There's a fair bit of size to it.
There is. But we've tried to make it dimensionally, it's a little bit smaller and it's a little bit lighter. We've added a rotatable housing. So as you can see here, you can index the housing wherever you want it, and then you can lock it in place. Because sometimes when you're trying to install a wastegate, it's hard to find the right spot for the fittings.
Yeah, or your plumbing, yeah, sure.
Exactly, so this way, if you've got that issue, then we've got a solution for that. It's also we've got new design springs flow through the product, and the heat handling on it is increased beyond anything else that you can buy. And if you also have an issue with that, we've added water cooling just in case.
Water-cooled wastegates. Well, thanks for showing us around today, mate. It's been great.
Not a problem.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And I hope you guys have enjoyed your behind-the-scenes look at TurboSmart headquarters here. It's really cool, I think, with the demise of the Australian car manufacturing industry, to see that manufacturing in the aftermarket sector in Australia is alive and well. So really enjoyed our peek behind the curtain today. Thanks again, Stu.
Thanks very much.
And for more information on TurboSmart products, head to turbosmart.com.